Quick tips on how to get those bigger, more defined shoulders that give you the aesthetic versus tight build. First things first, always warm up those shoulder muscles to prevent injury. Like I always say, fitness is not worth unless you are able to function properly in the older years of your life. I like to do some shoulder circles or arm swings for a few minutes. To build massive shoulders, compound exercises are your best friend. Start with shoulder presses. They target all three shoulder heads for overall growth. Make sure you are using the correct form. Sit on a bench with back support, or stand with your feet shoulder width apart, while holding a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder height. Your palms should be facing forward, and your elbows should be bent at a 90-degree angle. Keep your core engaged and your back straight. Press the dumbbells upward simultaneously, until your arms are fully extended but not locked. Lower the dumbbells back to shoulder height, maintaining control, and stopping just short of touching your shoulders. Breathe out as you press up, and breathe in as you lower the dumbbells. Perform the desired number of reps. Ensure that you use a weight that allows you to perform the exercise with proper form. Avoid using momentum or excessively heavy weights. That could compromise your form or lead to injury. Always prioritize safety and control when performing shoulder presses. Lateral raises are great for those broad, rounded shoulders. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and a slight bend in your knees for stability. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, with your arms hanging by your sides, and your palms facing your body. This is the starting position. Keep your core engaged, and maintain a straight back throughout the exercise, while maintaining a slight bend in your elbows. Exhale and lift the dumbbells out to the sides, until your arms are parallel to the ground. Your body should form a T shape. At the top of the movement, your thumbs should be slightly higher than your pinkies, and your palms should be facing the floor. Hold the raised position for a brief moment, to feel the contraction in your lateral deltoids. Inhale as you slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position, maintaining control and keeping a slight bend in your elbows. Repeat till failure. Remember not to use momentum or swing your body. It's more effective to use lighter weights and focus on proper form, to target the shoulder muscles effectively and reduce the risk of injury. Don't forget your front deltoids. Front raises are perfect for that. Proper form for front raises is crucial to effectively target the front deltoid muscles, while minimizing the risk of injury. Here's how to do front raises with dumbbells using the correct form. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and hold a dumbbell in each hand. Your arms should be hanging by your sides, and your palms should be facing your thighs. This is your starting position. Maintain a slight bend in your elbows, but keep them mostly straight throughout the exercise. Engage your core and keep your back straight with good posture. While exhaling, lift one dumbbell directly in front of you. Keep the movement controlled and deliberate. Continue raising the dumbbell until your arm is parallel to the ground, or slightly below shoulder level. Avoid raising it too high, as this can strain your shoulder joints. At the top of the movement, your palms should be facing the ground, and your arms should be extended but not locked. Hold the raised position for a brief moment, focusing on the contraction in your front deltoid. Inhale as you slowly lower the dumbbell back to the starting position. Maintain control and avoid swinging or jerking the weight. Repeat the same process with the other arm, alternating between them for the desired number of reps. Remember to use a weight that allows you to perform the exercise with proper form and control. Don't use momentum or excessively heavy weights that could compromise your technique. Front raises are excellent for isolating the front deltoid muscles when performed correctly. Building muscle also relies on what you eat. Make sure you're consuming enough protein and overall calories to support muscle growth. Lean meats, fish, and vegetables should be staples in your diet. Give your muscles time to recover. Rest is essential for muscle growth. So make sure you're getting enough sleep and managing stress. And there you have it. These tips should help you on your journey to those bigger, more impressive shoulders. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more fitness and motivation tips. Keep at it. Always remember, consistency is key.